Hafa Adai, my lovely people. It's your girl Celine and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a small kind tour around the central area around the island because a couple artists have some murals painted across Tumon all the way to Agana. And they recently, or maybe last week or so, they posted a map of all the murals that they have, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But since I live on the northern part of the island and the map starts in the central area, I'm gonna be going backwards. So there are 10. I'm gonna start from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, all the way 3, 2, 1. And the first mural that I'm gonna be driving to is the Tokidoki brand mural at Pacific Place. And this, luckily, is right across from my work at the Westin Resort Guam. All right, let's go. Okay, right now I switched to my Sony camera, so my vlogging camera, but we're right here at the first stop, so I'm just gonna go ahead and park my car. Okay, so I couldn't get much footage in front of this mural. There was construction going on outside the road that led to it, and there's really annoying people outside the building, and they were just like, hey, let's go take a picture, hey, take picture over here, hey, happy Friday, blah 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 blah. Bruh, just do your work. Just do your work and leave people alone. Yeah, on to the next stop. Okay, so we're gonna go to the Plaza shopping center next, where Squid Liquor / Lauren YS has her mural. I'm gonna hope that I find the right one. Okay, so I'm really confused where this mural is, but I think I know where it is now. I think it's in the back parking lot, like where the car elevator is. So I'm gonna go there, because I know I remember seeing something there. Yeah. Okay, so I'm walking out the back entrance, and let's hope I'm right. If I'm right, it's gonna be right here. I made it! I found it! I don't think I'm gonna get a good picture, but let's go see. I'm in my car now. Don't mind my little Hello Kitty right here. She's just gonna chill. So the next mural I'm gonna go to is at Lotus Surf Shop by @soft_core. Or his name is Jeff Ejan. I'm gonna pronounce it Ejan because there's a J, and Ejan doesn't sound correct. And the one right next to that is at the Grand Plaza Hotel by @negiyakisoba / ONEQ. ONEQ. I'm so sorry. But yeah, alright, let's go and find these murals. Alright, so we are currently at the Grand Plaza Hotel, where Negi Yakisoba's mural is, and the next stop that we're gonna go to is the Pacific Star Hotel poolside, where artist Gino the Twins' mural is. The Pacific Star has the crappiest parking, so we'll see how this goes. Alright. Okay, so I'm learning that this is a really long, hot, and treacherous journey, but it's really fun. I'm happy to be seeing all of these pieces of art. And Ryan's on break, so I'm gonna go ahead and give him a call. Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm at the Pacific Star. I'm at the 5th mural right now. Do you wanna join me in my feet?
Yes.
Cool. Alright, so do you know where Megabyte is in Tumaning?
Where is it?
Megabyte, I have no idea. You have to look it up. This is the fun part.
Okay.
So I guess Ryan's gonna join us on this journey, and we're gonna go look for Megabyte in Tumaning. Okay guys, so my camera battery isn't the greatest and I should have brought another one, so I might not be able to show you like where everything is. So I'm sorry I didn't prepare. We're on to the next mural, which is at Megabyte in Tumaning. We're almost there, and I'll tune back in when I'm actually there. Look who made it! Okay, from 11 to number 1, we are currently at number 6 at Megabyte in Tumaning. And I have my Ryan with me. He's gonna hop on for the next mural or so, as long as his break time allows him. Right?
For the next 2 hours, yeah.
It's pretty loud, I'm sorry, we're right next to the road. The next mural that we're gonna go to is number 5 by Animish/Nina Peck, next to Wild Bills in Tumaning. I think this is the building right across the old Wise Owl, so that's not too far away. Alright, let's go guys! Okay, so we're at the old Wise Owl Clinic, and across from us is the mural! Alright, we can't really get into there because it's kind of a weird spot, but we made it! Here it is! Okay, so the last couple murals that we're gonna go to are actually in Agana. So these are the last 4 murals. We're gonna go to the Pelas headquarters in Agana, where the opaque artist Lucy Longlegs has her mural. Okay, so there's this is the Pelas headquarters. So it's either on the side of the building where the parking lot is, or it's on the other side, or whatever. But this is the building. Okay, we're about to see if I was right. And where is this? Oh, there it is. Dental assistant and Celine's assistant / driver.
I'm a package.
Whew. There's no way for me to show you this without all the shadows in my face, but we're currently at the Pelas headquarters in Agana at the opaque mural. Next we're gonna go to GTA Agana. Oh, it's literally right across the parking lot. That wall right there. We're gonna go ahead and go across the parking lot to the mural at GTA at Sheep Chen. We made it all the way across the parking lot, and this one guy just had to park in front of the mural. Like, no one else is parked in front except for you. Who knows this guy? Let him know. Let him know I said hi. Tokidoki! We are on our last 2 murals of the journey. And I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but my goal was to look for every mural before I had lunch with my dad this afternoon. And we are at 2 more, and we're in Agana, and I get to see my dad! I'm so excited! Okay, so we were just at the GTA building where Sheep Chen's mural was. So now we are at number 2 near the DNA building by Karatos. How would you pronounce this? Karatos, right? Karatos. Luckily for us, everything in Agana is literally right next to each other, so we just have to go there really fast. Where's the DNA building?
It's still a bit away.
Is that one in?
No.
We are currently in O'Brien Street, right? This is O'Brien?
Yep, West O'Brien.
DNA building, where we at?
There it is. GCIC, but that's DNA.
Okay guys, so at this point in the video, I already knew that Ryan was not right and this was not the DNA building. But I just wanted to have faith in him and give him the benefit of the doubt. But just keep watching and see how right I was and how wrong Ryan was.
Okay, we are on our last stop. We are at...
Okay, we are at Title Guarantee, and this is Royal Dog.
Oh my god! We did it backwards! Ryan!
What?
Ryan, you did it backwards.
Okay.
Ryan messed this up.
I messed this up.
He messed it up. We were supposed to go near the DNA building, and he was like, oh, GCIC. So, it's okay. It's okay. We're at Royal Dog's mural is, so we have to go back to number 2 near the DNA building where at Karatos's mural is. So where are we going, Ryan?
To DNA.
Do you know where it is? Let me see. Because maybe I can tell where it is based on what the picture looks like.
Okay.
This is a Agana shopping center. I think this is the library or something, or the judiciary. Okay, we're gonna go find it. We have to go back that way. Okay, so apparently they're like right next to each other somehow, but Ryan thinks it's on the other side of the building. Okay, so we're gonna go back.
We're just gonna check your Agana shopping center.
Ryan, I was right.
Yeah, you are.
I was right. I think it's near Agana shopping center.
And I wouldn't be surprised if it actually is. I'm just trying to think of where this place is.
I think it's over there. Okay.
That's the DNA building right there.
Oh my god, so I was right.
But if you look at the map, it says it's further down there.
Are you looking at the map upside down?
Yeah.
Oh, Celine was right.
Saving solution.
Mr. Krabs, I have an idea. So I was right. I was right.
I knew it.
I was right. It's right there.
Off camera, I've been telling her that it's right there.
No.
She kept telling us that.
I was right. You gonna buy me some snacks now, boy?
Nope. Yep.
And we're here. Because I was right.
I knew it was over here.
Oh yeah? You're like that thing that's in front of the mural. Trash! We're gonna walk all the way over there. Okay, there you go. Go! It stinks because we're next to the trash can. We did it! We went to all 11 of the Powwow Guam murals, and I did it all before I could have lunch with my dad. Okay, and we did it before Ryan had to go back to work. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments about how we went to title guarantee Guam instead of DNA, leave a comment down below. Or if you have any other thoughts, leave a comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys at my next video.